Well, here's the footage from the first walking test for the power armor, and personally I'm not happy with it. It's not very good from a cinematographic standpoint, poor lighting and framing. Plus the Gorilla Tape I was using to hold on some of the aesthetic armor pieces doesn't like the cold weather, so it's been falling off. So before I release the professional type YouTube video, I'm going to be seeing if I can get some better footage walking around. Gonna need to clear out some garage space and all that. Not sure if it's ready to walk outside yet because I don't have any treads on the bottom of the feet. Plus the rear door actuator isn't actually attached, so some of the straps aren't exactly ratcheting tight enough for me to walk properly. I lost the pin at some point during the renovation process, so I need to put on another one. But I figured since it was Tuesday, everyone would like to see at least some sort of nice vid.